Geberit AquaClean are a range of shower toilets, which are Geberit's flagship WC. We've been making them for many years. They range from entry level with a very basic functionality to right through more functionality and an increasing price point, right through until you come to this particular model here, which is our Mera Comfort, that has all the bells and whistles and all the functionality that you could need. So the reason that it looks sleek and small is that all the wands and the functionality of the system actually sits within the ceramic rather than on top. Now, these particular toilets, smart toilets, Geberit call them shower toilets, they are great from a space-saving perspective. In the UK, we're notorious for having really tiny bathrooms, and so to be able to take a bidet functionality and a WC functionality and put the two together in one appliance is very good news from a space-saving perspective. In terms of functionality, it'll wash, it'll dry, and there's also a lady wash associated with it. And in terms of the wash, it's very gentle but very effective. And the reason that it's not an aggressive action of water is the fact that it's an oscillating whirl spray technology. So there are two jets of water, they spin around each other, and it's not just a blast that comes and hits you. Both the water temperature and the drying, the air temperature, can actually be regulated, and the remote control works all of the bidet functionality, and the flush plate works all of the WC functionality. So in reality, if you didn't know that it did anything else, you could use it just as an ordinary WC and be none the wiser. The great thing about actually the wash functionality, if I press this, it'll clean itself before it comes out and washes you, and it'll then clean itself again before it retracts. So there is no chance of any cross-contamination from previous washes, for example. The bidet functionality of this actually sits right underneath. There's a little pump right underneath the front of the WC. It contains a small amount of water, and on this particular model, as you walk up to the model, the seat can automatically open, so you don't have to touch the seat at all. As you walk away, the seat will close. But as that starts to happen, that water down underneath that's going to provide the bidet wash, that actually starts warming up. So from the minute you actually press the wash button, it is warm water set to the temperature that you need it to be set at. So you have the perfect experience every time.